Hello students, now we are learning the topic subtraction. In the part 1, I explained the topic base, working base and complement. What is base? 1 followed by 0. What is working base? Number of digits should be equal to number of zeros. What is complement? What I add in the given number to get its nearest base. The topic is clear and we did the page number 4, 1 to 7. 1 to 7 हमारे पेज कंप्लीट हो गए थे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट subtraction. Subtraction means this is your book and I am doing page number 14. Page number 14, the topic is 2 digit minus 2 digit. 2 digit minus 2 digit. My topic is, my question is 53 minus 38. I have to subtract. It is a very simple question. You can do it mentally. I teach you how we will do it through Vedic maths. Vedic से कैसे करेंगे? What is the difference? देखो बेटा, conceptual maths we did usually we do from right to left, but in Vedic maths we move left to right. अपने आप में एक वैदिक मैथ्स की ब्यूटी है कि कैसे हम सब्ट्रैक्शन को करने वाले हैं. 5 minus 3 is 2, but 3 minus 8 is not possible. तो अब आप सोचोगे कि ये तो वैदिक तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है वैदिक मैथ से तो सब्ट्रैक्शन, क्योंकि हाँ वैदिक मैथ्स में हमें लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करना होता है और सब्ट्रैक्शन में इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. फर्स्ट आई टेल यू देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन इन 2 digit into minus 2 digit, like 53 minus 28, 53 minus 31 and 53 minus 53, 31. What is the difference? When the all upper numbers are greater than the lower number. जब ऊपर के सभी नंबर बड़े हैं, when upper number either are greater than or equal to, when the two numbers are same or upper number is greater than. And the third case is when one number is upper and one number is lower. मिडिल concept देखेंगे when all upper numbers are greater than lower number. तो आप लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करके देखो. 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 1 2. Simply you can do it. Is it clear? In the second question, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0. You can do this question also. When all upper numbers are greater than, it is very simple question, conceptual question. You can do in both direction, left to right or right to left. But when the one upper number is greater than and the second one is same, you can do it also from both direction. But when, look carefully how we will do this question from left to right. 5 minus 3 is 2, but we will write 1. हम क्या करने वाले हैं? हम पहले से ही उसमें से 1 लेस कर देंगे. Why we less 1? Because the next upper number, जो next upper number है, that is smaller than the lower number. जो हमारा नेक्स्ट अपर नंबर है वो लोअर नंबर से छोटा है, इसीलिए यहाँ 5 minus 3 is 2, but we will write 1 and we will put dot on the top of 3. Dot will indicate we take 1 as borrow, means the new number is 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Is it clear? अब किसने वैदिक से किया है और किसने मेंटली किया है ये मैम कैसे चेक करेंगी? इट विल डिसाइड बाय दिस डॉट. इफ यू विल पुट डॉट ऑन द स्मॉलर नंबर देन यू विल गेट द मार्क्स इन वैदिक एग्जाम. इफ देयर विल बी नो डॉट यू विल गेट नो मार्क्स. ओके, क्योंकि इट इज वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक, यू कैन डू इट. बट बिफोर डूइंग 4 digit minus 4 digit or 5 digit minus 5 digit, we have to make the practice of 2 digit minus 2 digit. It is very important. Next, my question is 72. Next question is, I am on page number 14. Question number 2 is 72 minus 26. How we will do? 7 minus 2 is 5, but we will write 4. 7 minus 2 is 5, but we will write 4. Why? Because 2 is less than 6. Now put dot on 2. It is very important. Now new number is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Question number 3. 76 minus 46. 7 minus 4 is 3 and we will write as it is. Why? Because the next number is same. When the next numbers are same, we will write as it is. When the next number is greater than, we will write as it is. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next, 37 minus 28. It is question number 4. Question number 3, question number 2, and this is question number 1 of page number 14. Done? 37 minus 28. 3 minus 2 is 1, but we will write 0. New number is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Our answer is 9. This is a concept how we will do 2 digit minus 2 digit. Same you have to do page number 14 and 15 and 16 also. After that, I start the concept 3 digit minus 3 digit. 3 digit minus 3 digit. 3 digit में जब 3 नंबर होंगे तो हमको सेम मेथड सेम रखना है, but little bit difference is there. 3 digit minus 3 digit. Again I am writing the 3 questions. 2 1 3 minus 1 9 7. 2 1 3 minus 1 0 2. 2 1 3 minus 1 1 4. Look, this is the example. This is not the question of book. 3 digit minus 3 digit. First case, when all the upper numbers are greater than the lower number. When all the upper numbers are greater than the lower number, what we will do? 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 0 1, and 3 minus 2 1. It is very simple. It doesn't matter कि इसको हम लेफ्ट टू राइट करते हैं या राइट टू लेफ्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन 2 minus 1 is 1 and the next number is same. This is new concept. 2 डिजिट में तो यहाँ ये टॉप क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गया था. 3 डिजिट में क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यू है और हमें समझना है व्हेन द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज सेम, सीधा नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट नंबर. आपको नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट नंबर देखना है, दैट इज स्मॉलर देन. क्लियर? फिर से सुनेंगे ध्यान से. 2 डिजिट में तो हमारा टॉपिक क्लोज हो गया था, जैसे नंबर सेम आ गया तो हमने नंबर को एज इट इज ले दिया. 3 डिजिट में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? 2 minus 1 is 1, but we will write 0. This is very important question. Why we write 0? Because next number is same, but the next to next same number से next number जो है that is smaller than. Okay. Now the new number is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10, but we will write 9. New number is 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Very important question and the concept also. Next, 213,197. 2 minus 1 is 1. We will write 0. Why? Because 1 is less than 9. Put dot on 1. New number is 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. But we will write 1. New number is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. So what we have to do? Conclude it. 2 digit minus 2 digit or 3 digit minus 3 digit. When all upper numbers are greater than, it is very simple question. You can do it directly. In 2 digit, when next digit is same, so do it simple. Okay? In both way you can do left to right and right to left. But when next to next, if there are 3 digit and next number is same, see next to next number. आपको यहाँ देखना है, यदि ये छोटा हो जाता है, if it is smaller, आप इसको reduce by 1 लिखिए, 1 लेस करके. If it is greater than, no need to reduce. जैसे मैं आपको फिर से बता देती हूँ. Suppose my question is 215 and next number is this. 2 minus 1 is 1. Before writing 1 हम चेक करते हैं next number. Next number तो same है, तो हमने next to next number तो greater है. So what we will do? 2 minus 1 is 1 and we will write as it is. Important concept, ध्यान से देखो. 2 minus 1 is 1, but हमने यहाँ 0 लिखा. क्यों 0 लिखा? because next to next number is smaller than 2 minus 1 is 1, or I am writing 1 as it is because next to next upper number is greater than. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1. The answer is 1. This is the topic 3 digit minus 3 digit. In part 2, you learn the page number. I am telling the page number, listen carefully. First part में आपको बताया. अब now you can complete the page number 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Page number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. With concept, I completed from page number 12 to 22. Look, this is your book. Subtraction part 2. We completed the introduction and page number 12 to 22. 2 digit minus 2 digit and 3 digit minus 3 digit. Okay, goodbye.